Start.
Provinsi punya kewenangan ya.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Excellence, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the VCon of presentation population. My name is Mira Yuliani. As the host, allow me to introduce to our presenter today. His name is Rocky Effendi and our moderator her Della Adelia Lumino. Before we start our VCon today, let me explain the rules during this meeting. Number 1, every participant should mute their mics during the presentation. Number 2, if you have any question related to the presentation, you may deliver your question on Q&A session. Number 3, please mention your name and institution before deliver. Without any further ado, I would like to give the chance to moderator to lead the meeting. Miss Moderator, time is yours.
Thank you for the chance given to me, Mr. Vira. Respectable Miss Nuraini, Honorable Mr. Fahri, Honorable Mr. Rocky, Honorable all participants and invite guests, let us praise to God, the most gracious and merciful, the creator and sustainer of universe. Let us step on the following agenda. The presentation of pollution, which all will be present by Mr. Rocky. To Mr. Rocky, your mic, take the mic.
Okay, everyone. I'm sorry I'm late, and because I have a problem, and I'm sorry. Okay. Okay, this is my presentation, and what? Wait a minute. Okay, thank you. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rocky Effendi, and I'm from UPW SMK Negeri 1 Cengselor. And today I will presentation, and my presentation is pollution. Okay. Wait. But now host, back to screen. No, next, back. Okay, good afternoon. No, back to screen. Okay, good afternoon, guys. Nice to meet you. My name is Rocky Effendi, and in this presentation, we are going to discuss to the river in our village that is full of plastics and waste. Okay, next to the screen 1. And the purpose of our presentation is to find out the best strategy how to handle plastic waste so it will not damage and our environment. What we mean is the river in this village. Okay, can you see this picture here? Look, these pictures are different from each other. The first picture is river back in 2009. And it's so clean? No. But the second picture, and the picture is, here is condition of river at this time now. Clearly, we have a big issue. The waste management in our village. And next to screen. Yeah. We can see the picture in a native and perfectly clean water in the best environment. We can even consume that water and use it in our daily lives. And can you see this picture here? Now I will divide our presentation into two sections. The first, what will happen if we ignore the issue? And the second, what are the best solutions to handle waste management in our village? Let us start from the first section. What will happen if we ignore this issue? Okay, we use our river to irrigate that paddy field, and we are afraid that we'll not able and to enjoy the water resource in the next few years if we keep throwing our plastic bags and water there. And also, the waste only make the river look poor and tight and full mess. And it also damage the image of our villagers as well. And next to screen. So you can see my picture to presentation, but let's see what our weather conditions are today. Do we still look this shit? There is obviously a lot of garbage laying around in the water we used to use. And next. Okay, so that is about my presentation. In conclusion, we can say that every single thing we do might impact and the condition of our environment. And therefore, if we keep everything clean, and surely the environment will give a good return to us. And thank you for your attention. I will try to answer to your question, and I'm returning it to the moderator. Thank you.
What an enlightening speech from Mr. Rocky. Thank you. I cordially invite all the audience here to deliver any question you may have related the presentation, please. Siapa yang menanya?
Okay, everyone, I would like to open the question and answer session, please. Just one or two questions. One question will be enough, and I will add another questions then. Thank you.
Thank you for your question. Now I would like.
Not yet, Del. Wait for one more question. Yeah, you haven't got any question yet. Okay, you still wait for the question. Okay, if there is no question, maybe my question, yeah. My name is Farel Saputra. So I'm a teacher from SMK Negeri 1 Tanjung Selor. And my question is, okay, my question is, How do you think, Rocky, about our river, Kayan River? Is it still clean or polluted? Thank you. Yeah, so I will. Is it clear, my question?
So your question, I answer. The river now is no clean and very much pollution in the river. No clean, and in the river is nice. Is now. This is my answer.
Okay, so Kayan Rivers is not clean anymore, right? So it is
Yeah.
polluted. Okay, thank you for your answer. And for the others, please, question. Okay, I think there is question there. Zakiatul, Amiro, you wanna give another question maybe? Dea maybe or no?
Master nggak ngerti bahasa Inggris.
Okay, that will be no problem. So if there is no questions, I think the moderator can close the session, please, and give it back to the host. And please, host, remind for the others to fill in the form. I mean, like fill the attendance list. Okay.
Berarti saya nih kan, Mister?
Yeah, you may continue with your dialogue there. Thank you for your patience. Okay, please.
Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, we now have come to the end of this meeting. But before we close this meeting, I would like once again on behalf of moderator and committee, extend my deep appreciation for your support and participation. I hope you are enlightened by this meeting. Thank you. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you in another occasion. I will give the chance back to the host.
Thank you, Miss Moderator. Before we end this meeting, I would like to remind excellent ladies and gentlemen to fill the attendance through the link given in the chat column. If you have filled the attendance list, you might leave the room. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon.
Okay, I will stop the recording.